Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another exciting episode of Timeless Talks. Who is history? I'm your host David Lee, who is ready to delve into the depths of history. Today, we have the privilege of sitting down with the legendary inventor and electrical engineer, the man whose genius still sparks our imagination to this day, Nikola Tesla. Nikola, it is an honor to have you here with us. Let's kick off this intimate Who is Who interview by delving into your past. Could you please introduce yourself to our audience? Throughout your life, you made significant contributions to the fields of electricity and magnetism. Can you share with us a pivotal moment or experience that shaped your fascination with these subjects?
David, thank you for the warm introduction. I am Nikola Tesla, and it is a pleasure to be here with all of you today. I was born on July 10, 1856, in the village of Smiljan, which was then part of the Austro-Hungarian Empire, in present-day Croatia. From a young age, I displayed an insatiable curiosity about the world around me. My childhood was spent immersed in books and experiments with a burning desire to understand the mysteries of nature. As I grew older, I embarked on a remarkable educational journey. I attended the Polytechnic Institute in Graz, Austria, and later pursued further studies at the prestigious University of Prague. It was during this time that I developed a deep fascination with electricity and magnetism, recognizing their immense potential to transform the world. My relentless pursuit of knowledge took me to Paris, where I worked for the Continental Edison Company, honing my skills as an electrical engineer. But it was the allure of the new world that beckoned me. In 1884, I ventured to the United States, carrying with me a dream to revolutionize the way we harness and utilize electrical power. Throughout my career, I made pivotal discoveries and invented numerous groundbreaking technologies. My work on alternating current systems, including the development of the Tesla coil, revolutionized the field of electricity and laid the foundation for modern power distribution. My research into wireless energy transmission and communication anticipated technologies that would shape the world in the years to come. But beyond my scientific achievements, I hold a deep belief in the power of imagination and the boundless potential of human creativity. My mind was a cauldron of ideas, constantly churning with innovative concepts and visions for a better future. I often approached problems with unconventional methods, pushing the boundaries of what was deemed possible. It is with great pleasure that I share my life's journey with you today. Together, let us uncover the timeless wisdom that can guide us towards a brighter and more electrifying future.
Tesla, you are widely regarded as one of the most brilliant minds in history, known for your numerous inventions and discoveries. However, some critics argue that your ideas were often overshadowed by other inventors, such as Thomas Edison. How did these misunderstandings or misrepresentations impact your work, and how did you navigate these challenges?
Throughout my illustrious career, I encountered my fair share of challenges and misunderstandings. It is true that some of my ideas and inventions were overshadowed by other prominent figures of my time, including Thomas Edison. However, let me shed some light on these misconceptions and share my perspective. You see, my approach to innovation was deeply rooted in creativity and a quest for the greater good. I was driven by a genuine passion for scientific discovery and a desire to contribute to the advancement of humanity. While Edison and I held different views on certain matters, it is important to acknowledge that innovation is a collective effort, built upon the work of countless individuals over time. It is true that Edison's contributions gained significant attention, and his name became synonymous with certain inventions. However, it is essential to recognize the unique contributions each of us made to the field of electrical engineering. My work on alternating current systems, wireless transmission of energy, and other groundbreaking inventions revolutionized the world of electricity and power distribution. As for navigating these challenges, I chose to focus on my passion and dedication to advancing science and technology. Rather than dwelling on the overshadowing of my work, I channeled my energy into continued exploration, further pushing the boundaries of what was possible. I firmly believe that true recognition lies in the enduring impact of one's contributions, and history has shown that my ideas and inventions have stood the test of time. Throughout my life, I embraced the spirit of curiosity and creative thinking. I saw the world as a canvas upon which to paint my grand visions, never limited by conventional wisdom or the skepticism of others. It was this unwavering determination that allowed me to overcome challenges and make significant strides in the field of electrical engineering. So, while it is true that some misunderstandings and misrepresentations arose during my lifetime, I believe that the power of truth and innovation ultimately prevails. Today, as we look back on history, we can see the far-reaching impact of my work and the contributions I made to the realm of science and technology.
Throughout your career, you conceptualized and developed revolutionary inventions. such as the alternating current system and the Tesla coil. Can you walk us through the thought process behind these inventions and the impact they had on the world?
Your question takes me back to the exhilarating moments of discovery and creation. The inception of my revolutionary inventions, such as the alternating current system and the Tesla coil, stemmed from a blend of boundless curiosity, relentless experimentation, and an unwavering belief in the power of imagination. You see, I approached the world with a creative fervor, always seeking unconventional solutions to complex problems. My mind was a playground of ideas, constantly buzzing with thoughts and concepts waiting to be realized. The alternating current system, for instance, emerged as a response to the limitations of direct current, offering a more efficient and versatile method of electrical transmission. The thought process behind these inventions involved deep dives into the realm of physics and engineering. I would immerse myself in the intricacies of electromagnetic fields, meticulously conducting experiments to unravel the mysteries that lay hidden. It was through this rigorous exploration that I uncovered the principles and mechanisms that underpin the transformative technologies we know today. But beyond the technical aspects, my inventions were driven by a passion for progress and a desire to improve the lives of people around the world. I firmly believed in the potential of my creations to shape the future and usher in a new era of connectivity and innovation. The AC system, in particular, revolutionized power distribution, enabling the efficient transmission of electricity over long distances and powering the growth of modern civilization. The impact of these inventions cannot be understated. They transformed the world, enabling the widespread adoption of electricity and fueling advancements in various fields. From lighting up cities to powering industries, from propelling transportation to revolutionizing communication, the ripple effects of these technologies have touched every aspect of modern life. It fills me with immense pride to witness the profound impact my inventions have had on society. The alternating current system, in particular, continues to be the backbone of our global power grids, providing the energy that drives progress and innovation. The Tesla coil, with its ability to generate high-voltage, high-frequency currents, has found applications in wireless communication, scientific research, and even entertainment. So, dear David, the thought process behind these inventions was a harmonious symphony of creativity, curiosity, and a deep sense of purpose. They were born from the boundless potential of the human mind and the conviction that progress is achieved through daring exploration. Through these inventions, I sought to illuminate the world, not only with electric light, but also with the spark of inspiration and possibility.
Nikola, you were known for your ability to visualize and design inventions in your mind before constructing them physically. Can you share some insights into your unique creative process and how you cultivated such a vivid imagination?
David, you have touched upon a subject that lies at the very heart of my being: the power of imagination and the wondrous realm of creative thought. Indeed, my ability to visualize and design inventions in my mind before manifesting them physically was a fundamental aspect of my creative process. From a young age, I possessed an innate curiosity about the world around me. I would observe the interplay of nature's forces, ponder the mysteries of the universe, and allow my mind to wander into realms yet unexplored. It was within this realm of imagination that my most groundbreaking ideas were conceived. To cultivate such a vivid imagination, I nurtured a spirit of relentless curiosity and embraced the unknown. I voraciously consumed literature and scientific texts, delving into the works of great minds that came before me. The knowledge and wisdom I gained served as a wellspring of inspiration, igniting my imagination and fueling my creative fire. But it wasn't enough to simply absorb information. I allowed my mind to roam freely, untethered by preconceived notions or limitations. I dared to question established conventions and conventional wisdom, always seeking unconventional approaches to problems. It was through this willingness to challenge the status quo that I was able to see beyond the constraints of the present and envision a future brimming with possibilities. When it came to designing my inventions, I would immerse myself in the depths of my mind. I would engage in a process of mental creation, meticulously refining and perfecting every detail. With my eyes closed, I could visualize intricate machinery, the flow of electric currents, and the dance of electromagnetic fields. It was as if I was conducting symphonies of invention within the vast auditorium of my mind. This ability to harness the power of my imagination allowed me to overcome the limitations of physical prototyping and envision the potential of my inventions in their entirety. It enabled me to foresee their practical applications and anticipate the transformative impact they would have on society. But let us not forget, David, that imagination alone is not enough. It is the marriage of creative thought with technical technical mastery that truly brings dreams to life. I was equally dedicated to the pursuit of scientific understanding, immersing myself in the complexities of mathematics and physics. This technical foundation provided the solid ground upon which my imaginative visions could take shape. So, dear David, my creative process was a harmonious dance between imagination and technical precision. It was a fusion of boundless curiosity, relentless exploration, and a refusal to accept the limitations imposed by the world around me. Through this process, I was able to harness the power of my mind and manifest inventions that would forever alter the course of history.
Your passion for the wireless transmission of energy and your visionary idea of a global wireless communication system have captivated the imagination of many. Can you elaborate on these concepts and explain how they could have transformed the world if they were fully realized?
Imagine, if you will, a world where energy flows freely through the air, untethered by wires and cables. A world where power is harnessed and distributed effortlessly, reaching even the most remote corners of the earth. This was the essence of my dream for wireless energy transmission. At its core, the idea was to utilize the natural forces of electromagnetism to transmit electricity through the earth and the atmosphere. By tapping into the resonance of the earth itself, I envisioned the creation of a vast network of wireless power stations, delivering energy to homes, industries, and transportation systems, without the need for cumbersome infrastructure. The implications of such a system were awe-inspiring. It would revolutionize the way we harness and utilize energy, liberating us from the constraints of traditional power grids and opening up new possibilities for sustainable and efficient energy distribution. Imagine the possibilities, David, of a world where energy is abundant, accessible, and environmentally friendly. But my vision did not stop there. I also foresaw a global communication system where information could be transmitted instantaneously across vast distances, uniting people and cultures like never before. This wireless communication network would connect individuals regardless of geographic boundaries, fostering a sense of global unity and understanding. Through the power of electromagnetic waves, information could be transmitted effortlessly, allowing for near-instantaneous communication across continents. It would enable the exchange of knowledge, the sharing of ideas, and the strengthening of human connections. The world would become a smaller place, with barriers of distance and time crumbling under the weight of technological progress. Imagine, David, the impact such a system could have had on society. It would democratize access to information, bringing education and enlightenment to even the most remote corners of the world. It would facilitate global collaboration, fostering innovation and progress in every field of human endeavor. The potential for societal advancement and cultural enrichment would be immeasurable. Unfortunately, as with many grand visions, the realization of these concepts faced numerous challenges and setbacks. Financial constraints, technical limitations, and a lack of widespread understanding hindered the full manifestation of my dreams. However, my ideas have continued to inspire generations of inventors, scientists, and engineers who strive to push the boundaries of what is possible. Though my specific visions of wireless energy transmission and a global communication system have not been fully realized, the principles underlying these concepts continue to shape the modern world. From wireless power transfer technologies to the interconnectedness of the internet, glimpses of my dreams can be seen in the fabric of our technological landscape.
Tesla, you have been attributed with various memorable quotes that reflect your worldview and aspirations. Is there a particular quote or motto that resonates with you the most? And can you share with us the meaning behind it?
While it is challenging to select a single quote or motto that encapsulates the entirety of my worldview, there is one particular phrase that resonates deeply with my being. The day science begins to study non-physical phenomena, it will make more progress in one decade than in all the previous centuries of its existence. This quote reflects my firm conviction in the exploration of the intangible and the pursuit of knowledge beyond the boundaries of conventional science. Throughout my life, I delved into the mysteries of electricity, magnetism, and energy, often venturing into realms that others deemed unconventional or even impossible. I recognized the existence of forces beyond the physical realm and believed that their understanding held great potential for scientific advancement. My experiences and experiments led me to explore phenomena such as wireless energy transmission, resonance, and the harnessing of natural forces. I sought to uncover the hidden aspects of the universe and tap into the vast reservoirs of energy that lie beyond our immediate perception. By acknowledging the significance of non-physical phenomena, I sought to encourage scientists and thinkers to broaden their horizons to embrace the unexplored territories of knowledge. I firmly believed that the study of these phenomena would unlock profound insights and propel humanity forward in ways previously unimaginable. This quote, David, embodies my relentless curiosity and my unyielding spirit of exploration. It represents my steadfast belief in the power of the human mind to unravel the mysteries of the universe and harness its forces for the betterment of society. It serves as a reminder that progress often lies in embracing the unknown and daring to challenge established notions.
Now, let's touch upon some controversial aspects. There have been claims that you made grandiose boasts or exaggerated your accomplishments. How do you respond to these accusations, and what do you believe is the truth behind them?
Throughout history, it is not uncommon for great minds to be subject to such controversy, and I am no exception. Allow me to shed some light on these matters. Firstly, let me state that I have always been a man driven by the pursuit of scientific knowledge and the desire to push the boundaries of innovation. My passion for invention and discovery often fueled my enthusiasm and led to bold proclamations about the potential of my creations. I admit that my visionary nature may have at times been misconstrued as boastful or grandiose. It is important to note, however, that my intentions were rooted in a genuine belief in the transformative power of my inventions. I sought to bring about a future where electricity and energy would be harnessed in ways that would benefit all of humanity. My intentions were never to exaggerate or deceive, but rather to inspire and ignite the imagination of others. Additionally, I must acknowledge that in the pursuit of my scientific endeavors, I encountered numerous challenges and setbacks. Some of my ambitious projects, such as the wireless transmission of energy on a global scale, were met with skepticism and resistance. As a result, certain claims made during those times may have been misunderstood or taken out of context. I invite those who doubt my accomplishments to examine the evidence that stands in support of my work. The alternating current system, which I championed and developed, revolutionized the world of electricity and continues to power our modern society. My inventions, such as the Tesla coil and the induction motor, laid the foundation for countless technological advancements. Ultimately, the truth behind these claims lies in the pages of history, in the impact and enduring legacy of my inventions. I would urge skeptics to look beyond mere words and delve into the tangible contributions I made to the fields of electrical engineering and science. In closing, I wish to emphasize that my life's work was driven by a genuine love for science and a desire to improve the human condition. I strive to bring light, progress, and innovation to the world. While controversies may persist, I remain steadfast in my belief that the pursuit of knowledge and the application of creative thinking are essential to advancing society.
Tesla, like any great mind, you face challenges and setbacks along your journey. Can you share with us a mistake or failure that you experienced, and how you overcame it or learned from it?
One notable challenge I encountered was during my endeavors to develop the Wardenclyffe Tower, a monumental project aimed at realizing wireless transmission of energy on a global scale. While the vision was grand and the potential impact immense, the project ultimately faced financial difficulties and was never fully realized. This setback was undoubtedly disheartening, but it taught me valuable lessons about the practical aspects of bringing a revolutionary idea to fruition. It highlighted the importance of strategic planning, financial resources, and effective communication in order to turn a vision into reality. Despite the disappointment, I did not dwell on the failure. Instead, I channeled my resilience and redirected my focus to continue making contributions in other areas of science and technology. I recognized the need to adapt, learn, and apply the lessons I had learned to future endeavors. One crucial lesson I took from this experience was the significance of aligning visionary ideas with practical considerations. It underscored the importance of collaboration and building a strong support network to bring ambitious projects to life. While the Wardenclyffe Tower itself was not realized as initially envisioned, the concept of wireless energy transmission laid the groundwork for subsequent developments in wireless communication and power transfer. Throughout my career, I have come to appreciate that failures and mistakes are not roadblocks, but stepping stones on the path to success. They provide valuable opportunities for growth, self-reflection, and refining one's approach. They remind us that innovation is an iterative process, and setbacks should not discourage, but rather fuel our determination to overcome obstacles and forge ahead. So, I would encourage aspiring innovators and dreamers to embrace the lessons that failures offer. Let us learn from our mistakes, adapt our strategies, and persist in the pursuit of our goals. For it is through resilience and a willingness to learn that we can transform setbacks into catalysts for progress and ultimately leave a lasting impact on the world.
Lastly, Nikola, your contributions to science and technology have left an indelible mark on the world. Looking back on your life's work, What legacy do you hope to leave behind? And what message would you like to convey to future generations?
David, as I reflect upon my life's work, I am filled with a sense of awe and gratitude for the opportunities I had to contribute to science and technology. My ultimate desire is for my legacy to be one that inspires and sparks the imagination of future generations. First and foremost, I hope that my creative and innovative spirit will continue to inspire individuals to think beyond the limits of conventional wisdom. I believe that curiosity and imagination are the driving forces behind progress, and I encourage future generations to embrace their innate curiosity, to question the world around them, and to pursue knowledge with unwavering passion. I also wish to be remembered as someone who dedicated his life to the betterment of humanity. My inventions and discoveries were not solely driven by personal ambition, but by a deep-seated belief in the potential for science and technology to improve the human condition. I hope that my work will continue to serve as a reminder that science and progress should always be guided by the pursuit of the greater good. To future generations, I convey a message of hope, possibility, and perseverance. I want them to understand that the road to innovation is not always smooth, but it is worth every obstacle encountered along the way. I urge them to never lose sight of their dreams, to push the boundaries of what is deemed possible, and to embrace failure as a stepping stone toward success. Furthermore, I hope that my legacy serves as a reminder of the importance of collaboration and the exchange of ideas. No breakthrough is achieved in isolation. It is through the collective efforts of brilliant minds working together that we can truly advance as a society. I encourage future scientists, inventors, and visionaries to foster an environment of collaboration, to share knowledge freely, and to work toward solutions that benefit all of humanity. Above all, I hope that my legacy inspires future generations to approach the world with a sense of wonder, to never cease exploring, and to use their talents and skills for the betterment of mankind. The possibilities are limitless, and with determination, perseverance, and a genuine desire to make a positive impact, they can shape a future that surpasses even the wildest dreams. So, let my legacy be one of inspiration, innovation, and the unwavering belief in the power of human ingenuity. May it ignite a flame within the hearts and minds of those who follow, guiding them toward a brighter and more enlightened future.
Nikola, your extraordinary mind has left an indelible imprint on history, and we are grateful for the incredible contributions you have made to humanity. Thank you for sharing your insights and thoughts with us today. Subscribe now to Timeless Talks and stay tuned for more thought-provoking conversations with the legends of the past as we continue to uncover the timeless wisdom that can shape our future.